Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany and I'm here with a December CurlBox unboxing. Here's the box, let's get it open. Okay, the box is open and let's see what's in it. So first, I see a wet brush. I've never used a wet brush, but I've always wondered if it worked, so this is great. So we're back to different colors again. This is an orange curl box. Let's see what's inside. So it has Ulta wrapping paper. I guess that's why the box is orange, because it goes together. This is a little booklet. On the back it says Holiday, December 2021. Let's check these products out. So the first thing I noticed is the Living Proof Curl Definer. I am interested in trying this whole Living Proof line, the curly hair line, this pink packaging. So it would be cool to try this. I don't know if I'll buy the other products to go with it, but I am excited to try this. Next is the Urban Hydration Jamaican Castor Oil. It's a co-wash and conditioner. That's this right here. I think I've briefly heard about this brand, but I've never used them, so I'm looking forward to trying this out as well. Okay, and the next item is It's a 10 Coily Miracle Curl Cream. I didn't know that It's a 10 had a Coily line, and I didn't know that they had curl cream. Okay, the next item is also from Urban Hydration. It is a Bright and Balanced Micellar Facial Cleansing Water with pure aloe vera leaf. So this is not for hair, but when something is good like pure aloe vera and it's a micellar water, I am interested in trying that, so we'll see how this works. And last but not least is also not for hair, but not terrible. This is a MAC Amplified Cream Lipstick in Vegas Volt. I wonder if this is the color I used to use. I used to use some bright pinks and oranges and purples back in the day from MAC. So this is interesting. Okay, so that was my December 2021 CurlBox unboxing. I'm not disappointed in this box. It's not all one line, but there are different products that are interesting, and at least one product that I was looking forward to trying anyway, that's a Living Proof. So I guess I will keep them for now. We'll see how next month goes. Tell me what you think about this CurlBox. Do you like that they did throw in some other items that are not curl related? Do you think that it should be all one brand? Because I would have been in love if I got the whole Living Proof brand right now. I would have been really happy. But one to try is cool. So let me know what you think below. Have you tried CurlBox? Are you thinking about trying CurlBox? And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.